A game is played with a sphere spinner. The player spins the spinner twice. The player adds the two numbers to get the score. Complete the table to show the possible scores. So it says there are two spins. It says the player spins the spinner twice. So that means the spinner is spun twice, two times. And we must complete the table. So it says the player adds the two numbers. So remember, in this table, we're not trying to multiply them. Instead, we're trying to add them. So 8 plus 8 is 16. 17 plus 8 is 25. And then 32 plus 8 is 40. And then 17 plus 8 is 25. And then 17 plus 17 plus 17 is 34, and then 32 plus 17 is 49. And then 32 plus 8, again, it is 40, and then 32 plus 7, we did that before, it is 49. And then now 32 plus 32 is 64. So we've completed the table now. And now we're trying to work out the probability that the score is a square number. Give your answer as a fraction. So first of all, we must know what a square number is. So a square number is a number that is the answer of something that multiplies another thing. So let me just do some examples. For example, 8 times 8 is 64. 64 is a square number. Let's say 4 times 4 is 16. That is a square number. We can also do, for example, 1000 times 1000. The answer is also a square number. So anything that is multiplied by the same number is the square number. So first of all, it says work out the probability. So we must want to know from the table above, which of these numbers is a square number. So let's see here. We have 16. So 16 is a square number. We highlight that. 25, also a square number. Now, the reason why 25 is a square number because 5 times 5 is 25. And 16 in this case, 4 times 4 is 16, so 16 is a square number. Now 40, is 40 a square number? No. 25 here, we've got the same again. 34, nope, it's not a square number. 49 is a square number because 7 times 7 is 49. 40 again, so nope. 49, yes. And 64, is 64 a square number? Correct, it is a square number because 8 times 8 is 64. Now we must work out the probability. We can't just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can't just write the answer as 6. Whenever we see probability, it is always a fraction or a decimal. In this case, we want our answer to be a fraction. So whenever we see probability and we must know the fraction of it, it is always the question that is asking for a square number. Let me just write it out as SQ. So that stands for square number, over the total. So the total number of numbers. Okay, this is kind of confusing. So what I mean numbers, the total numbers of numbers. We can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 numbers. So there is a total of 9 numbers. So first of all, the total, we know that it is 9, so it's over 9. Now we must know how many square numbers there are, and we highlighted them. So 16 is 1, 25 is 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 square numbers. So this is the answer, but be careful here. We must always simplify our answer. So 16 over 9 can be simplified to 2 over 3 because 3 times 2 in the 3 multiplication table, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is 2 over 3.